Welcome friends, in this video I will help you how to fix Windows 10 and 11 apps pinning itself to the taskbar automatically. Type Run Windows search bar. Open Run command. Type %appdata%. Click OK. Click Appdata. Open local folder. Open Microsoft folder. Open Windows folder. Open Shell folder. Write Layout Modification file. Click Edit. Click Find. Find Custom Taskbar Layout Collection. Click Find Next. Delete Taskbar, UWA App User Model ID. Save and exit. Restart system. If you face still error, so delete layout modification file. Restart system. I hope this video helped you. See you next video. Places subscribe, like and share.